pager. All right, turn. Turn. Once you became a leader, he started being a follower. So what that tells me is he's desperate for a leader.
Well, I know that he acts like sometimes like he is the boss. You know, I mean, he tries to.
Sometimes, girl, no. but what I'm going to tell you, and this is why it's so scary to people, and a lot of what he's doing is a fear-based behavior. Because when they are fearful like that, that's when they use all the display threat. Because when you go back and watch this video, you're going to see he's showing every tooth in his mouth. It looks vicious, but really, it's more like, you know, dogs that are really going to inflict serious damage is they don't. Oh, don't worry about that. I guess this one. You know, they don't use a lot of display threat. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know, like I've known a few guys in my life that were black belts and stuff. They didn't go around saying, I'm going to beat your ass. If it came to it, pa, 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 they did it. You know, and dogs that really, the most scary kind of dogs don't growl and show their teeth and do all these things because they're like in a predatory behavior, and so they're not making any sound. So what he's doing, though, by showing all his teeth is trying to scare people away. Unfortunately, it's working. All right, back up over there a little bit. See, already you've got his attention, and even with all this chaos, all right, but I want you just to ignore him, though. When I tell you, I want you just to use his name and call him. But yeah, he has no inhibition whatsoever. He just, all right, call him, girl, call him.
Come here, Dookie. Come here, Dookie. Come on. Hey, boy.
All right, give him the treat.
Okay. There you go.
Does he not like treats?
He's picky. He only eats when he's old.
All right, call him again.
Come here, Dookie.
So what I'm doing, girl, is that right when I say go ahead, I try to just breaking off a tiny piece.
Oh, okay.
All right, call him.
Come here.
All right, take a step backwards. Take a step back. Good. Always move away from him a little bit.
Come here, Dookie. No.
All right, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Just back up a little bit. Call him again.
Come on, let's go. Come here. Come on. Oh, good.
No, he's turning sweet and innocent. It's unbelievable.
Good boy.
All right, so that's what we'd have to work on, girl. He's turning puppyish and playful. All right, guys, so hopefully we're going to be able to sign Dookie up for the boot camp and get him straightened out. But we wanted you to get the full view of his behavior.
Well, you know, when he was